Hi guys, today we're going to look at a smart way to format your data a little faster and at the same time also look at how to use or learn shortcuts in Excel. Many times when you import data, you will get it like this. The text is wrapped and you don't have the correct row heights or the column widths, and it's quite irritating. You want to have it much more good looking. To fix this, we click inside the table or the data. Click Control A, that will mark all your data. Now we click at the ALT button and hold it. As you see up here, the yellow boxes with letters will appear. And that means H is home, which means that if I click H on the keyboard, it will light up everything on the home menu. And if I continue holding ALT down, I could continue clicking. So here I want to take away the wrap text function. So I click W and that will format my data. Now I lift the ALT button again, click it down once more. Once again, I want to go on the home one and I want to format. And I go to O and there I want to auto fit column width. That's I. Now my data looks much better with just a few clicks. If you like this, please hit the like button, share, and subscribe. That will help me with the algorithm.